I hope you all are good and happy. So today we are going to begin with the lesson number 12, that is magic pot. So let's begin with the story. So once there was a little girl named Amaya. एक छोटी सी बच्ची थी एक बार, उसका नाम था अमाया. She lived with her mother. वो अपनी मदर के साथ रहती थी. Amaya was a very kind girl. वो एक बहुत अच्छी लड़की थी. One day she went to a forest. एक दिन वो जंगल गई. There she met an old woman. वहाँ पे एक old woman से मिली वो. The old woman gave her a pot. Old woman ने उसे pot दिया. She said, "This is a magic pot." उन्होंने बोला कि ये तो एक magic pot है. It will cook porridge for you. When you say cook pot cook, ये तुम्हारे लिए porridge बना देगा जब तुम इससे बोलोगी cook pot cook. It will stop making porridge when you say stop pot stop. और ये तुम्हारे लिए porridge बना जब बंद कर देगी जब तुम कह दोगी stop pot stop. Amaya was very happy. She went to her house from the forest with the magic pot. अमाया बहुत खुश थी. वो अपने घर गई उस मैजिक पॉट के साथ. She told her mother what happened in the forest with her. उसने अपनी मदर को बताया उसके साथ क्या हुआ फॉरेस्ट में. Mother, we will no longer be hungry as I have got magic pot. अब हम भूखे नहीं रहेंगे क्योंकि मैं एक मैजिक पॉट लेके आई हूँ. अमाया said to the pot cook and the pot cook porridge. अमाया ने बोला पॉट से cook pot cook और pot ने cook करा porridge. Her mother was very happy and they both ate porridge. इसकी मदर बहुत खुश हुई और उन दोनों ने porridge खाया. One day when Amaya had gone out, जब एक दिन अमाया बाहर गई थी, her mother felt hungry. उसकी मदर भूखी थी. She said to the pot cook. The pot started cooking porridge. उन्होंने बोला pot से cook pot cook और जो pot था वो बनाने लगा porridge. After eating it, mother said, "Do not cook pot," but the pot went on cooking. क्योंकि उन्होंने correct statement नहीं बोला था, pot तो cook करता ही रहा. Soon the porridge started spilling on the floor. Mother called out again, "Wait, do not cook anymore," but the pot did not stop. तो मदर को exact statement पता ही नहीं था कि क्या बोलना है. तो pot तो फ्लोर पे गिरने लगा. वो porridge जो था फ्लोर पे बहने लगा क्योंकि she was not saying the correct statement. Mother ran out of the house and porridge followed her. Mother बाहर गई house से और porridge पीछे. Soon there was a porridge everywhere. हर जगह porridge हो गया. The whole village saw it. They ran to eat the porridge. पूरे गांव ने उसको देखा, सब porridge खाने गए. When Amaya came back, she saw that the road was full of porridge. जब अमाया वापस आई, उसने देखा कि रोड पर वो porridge है. She ran back as fast as she could. She heard her mother shout, "Amaya, the pot is cooking." And it will not stop. Amaya fought to cook कर जा रहा और रुक ही नहीं रहा है. Amaya called out, "Stop pot stop," and it stopped cooking pot. Amaya ने बोला stop pot stop, तो उसने cooking stop कर दी. So we should know the exact situation. We should know the everything. Then we should do anything. So that's all for the story. I hope you understand the story. See you in the next class.